Jackass Anonymous, where we out here playing airsoft today. We got J-Rock on the bottom. We got the noob, Dave, I got something in my eye. And then we got Hunter, who ain't got a clue. We're about to tear these mothers up. Jason! You taking a dump? Okay, just checking. Alright, what we do? Ready? I'm just kidding. Alright, where's Hunter? Game out. Where they at? I'm watching them four-wheel. Where's he at? Andy. 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 didn't know when.
I'm gonna shoot you again.
Huh? He's over here. You're right. I'm here. Medic.
Hit! 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 Hey! Huh? Yeah. I called hit 4 times. You down? They wouldn't have known I was there if you wouldn't have said, ah, hit! Oh, you got me, you got me.
It was definitely Dave. But I'll tell you what gave it away. It really wasn't Dave. I knew it was somebody because I heard a pistol.
Yeah.
I shot him with a pistol.
Yeah.
I knew you were.
I let him sit there and reload. I was like, come on, make some noise.
Said that was a pistol.
He started shooting and I started.
I didn't know you were back there.
I got Dave.
Well, who shot you?
Hunter.
Oh, okay.
He was laying down back
All
here.
right, you were laying down shooting at him, which I thought was Chris. I thought that was Andy that got Dave. So I said, somebody's over here to our left already. So I laid down facing that direction. I got under a tree and I just laid there and watched his feet.
Dave, well, no. I walked up and shot Dave. And Dave's, oh, he got me, he got me.
Yeah.
Real loud. I was like, oh, you
But I heard the pistol. I knew it was a pistol.
I got him in both legs.
So I knew somebody had gotten him behind.
Your pistol?